Imagine coming home after a long day and everything, from countertops to floors, feels calm, clean, and organized. No clutter, no dust, no stress, just a space that instantly relaxes you. Sounds like a dream, right? Most of us struggle because cleaning feels overwhelming and time consuming. But today I'm going to show you how to create your dream cleaning routine in minutes so your home stays spotless and stress-free without spending hours scrubbing. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon, because these practical tips will completely change the way you maintain your home. Step 1. Identify your cleaning challenges. The first step is understanding why cleaning feels impossible. Maybe clutter piles up, laundry stacks, or surfaces get dusty faster than you can manage. Once you identify your problem areas, creating a routine becomes simple. You can target the most frustrating spots first and prevent small issues from becoming overwhelming. Step 2. Break tasks into daily, weekly, and monthly steps. A dream cleaning routine balances small daily habits with bigger weekly and monthly tasks. Daily, wipe counters, wash dishes, and make beds. Weekly, mop floors, clean bathrooms, dust surfaces. Monthly, deep clean appliances, declutter cabinets, wash windows. By breaking chores into these steps, cleaning becomes manageable and stress-free. No more marathon cleaning sessions. Step 3. Set time blocks. Don't think you need hours at a time. Assign short, focused blocks of time, near 10, 15, or 20 minutes per task. Use a timer and challenge yourself to complete each task efficiently. These short bursts add up, and you'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish in just minutes each day. Step 4. Prioritize problem areas. Not every space needs the same attention. Identify high traffic or messy areas, like the kitchen, bathroom, or living room. Focus on these first. Keeping the areas you use the most clean gives your home an overall sense of order, even if less used spaces aren't perfect. Step 5. Keep tools accessible. Your cleaning routine will only be effective if you have the right tools ready. Microfiber cloths, sprays, mops, and small organizers should be within reach. Having supplies handy makes it easy to tackle tasks immediately, reducing procrastination and wasted effort. Step 6. Make it fun. Cleaning doesn't have to feel like a chore. Play music, set challenges, or reward yourself after completing tasks. Enjoying the process makes it more sustainable. Over time, these small, enjoyable habits keep your home consistently clean without stress. Step 7. Track your progress. Keep a checklist or planner of tasks. Marking off completed chores gives a sense of accomplishment and keeps you motivated. Over time, you'll notice your home stays cleaner longer, and maintaining it becomes a simple, satisfying habit rather than an overwhelming responsibility. Small daily habits matter. Simple actions make a big difference. Wash dishes immediately after meals. Wipe spills as they happen and put items back in their designated spots. These small habits prevent clutter from accumulating and make your dream cleaning routine easy to maintain. Emotional benefits of a clean home. A clean home is more than just visually pleasing. It reduces stress, improves focus, and creates a calm environment. Leave us a comment below and tell us how you plan to implement your new cleaning routine. We always love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, like this video, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more practical home cleaning tips and hacks. Click the link in the description box below to join our free community, where we offer informative articles, ideas, friendship, and much, much more. Remember, creating your dream cleaning routine doesn't require hours of work. Just a few minutes each day can make your home feel fresh, organized, and stress-free. Start today, implement these simple steps, and watch your home transform effortlessly.